I'm Edie from Embroidery by Edith Ann, and today I want to introduce you to our newest wall hanging, Hickory Dickory Dock. I'm sure all of you remember this nursery rhyme. This is an 8 hooping wall hanging. 5x7 hoop is all that's required. And this one right here, we have added sashing to it. The sashing is included and gets stitched onto one of the hoops, one of the hoopings, and then the 2 hoopings are attached while in the hoop. When you finish with all the embroidery, you'll have 4 sections, and you'll stitch those together on a regular sewing machine. This particular one is 11 by 18 inches, and then the previous one that we have is Hey Diddle Diddle. These are a little bit different. Hey Diddle Diddle does not have the sashing, a little bit smaller, 9.5 by 18, also 8 hoopings, but as you notice, it has the satin stitch that connects the hoopings together, and all of these are put together in the hoop. The backing goes on also while in the hoop, and then what this one was done, we added a backing and then added tabs to hang with. Hickory Dickory Dock, we put a hanging sleeve on the back in order to hang it. So we have both of these versions available. This one, the newest one, is Hickory Dickory Dock, is on intro special, and for a limited time we are also, when you buy this one, you can also get the previous one at a discount. Come on over to our website and check them out, as well as many other designs that we have: wall hangings, mug mats, table runners, placemats, key fobs, just a whole assortment of different kinds of in the hoop projects. Embroidery by Edith Ann. See you there.